with another video. I'm back with another video. Come on now. I'm back with another video. I'm back with another video. Come on now.
With another video. I'm back with another video. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. I'm back with another video. Come on now. Hey girls.
Hey family, I'm back. How are y'all doing, family? So today your girl will be having some homemade spaghetti. I got me some cheesy garlic bread in the building. So how y'all been doing, family? I hope everybody's been having a blessed and positive day. And I hope y'all ain't been letting nobody steal y'all joy. Don't let nobody steal y'all joy. Because boss mom ain't gonna let nobody steal her joy. Love y'all so much. So I'm about to say my grace and I'm about to dig in, baby. Amen, amen. Told y'all, family, I get a little happy when I'm about to eat. I put some, it was hot too, look. Ooh, look at that thing. I put some ranch dressing in mine. I like ranch dressing on my spaghetti. That ranch dressing be good. With the cheesy bread. Steaming hot. Who don't like ranch dressing? In their spaghetti. I know some people don't. Oh, family. Here y'all go. Y'all finished? It's hot. Blow it. It's that baked spaghetti, baby. Mm. Mm. Hot. Damn, this is good. Family. It's this cat that look like Garfield. He keep lingering around my property. He keep lingering around my house. And me personally, I don't like cats. I like dogs. And it's like every time I cook, I seem like this cat smell my cooking. I don't know, smell me cooking. Mm-mm. He'll cross the street and come straight to my house. No, I see him walking. He'll stop in the middle of the street. I'll be like, go the other way, baby. This is not what you want. You ain't hanging up over here. He'll look at me and turn on back around. No, no, I don't do cats. Mm-mm. Never been a cat person. Mm-mm. No. You're not coming and hang up on this porch. Mm-mm. You ain't gotta worry about me feeding no cat. Mm-mm. Once you start it, you better be able to finish it. I ain't throwing nothing out there for it. No. Then next thing you know, you look out there, you get one kind of piece of bread. Then here go 1,000 more cakes. Next thing you know, them things be lingering around. No. I am not the cat lady. Mm-mm. Nope. I mean, I won't even thinking about getting them no bread, but I'm just saying. They seem to bring the whole family, brothers, sisters, cousins, grandmas, uncles, aunts, grandkids. I mean, them cats can get deep. I ain't that family. I be like, mm-mm. Nah, you think it's just him. He got a whole family in the cut, probably. You know, them cats stay having kids. Mm-mm. But to each his own who love cats, you know. Everybody have different animals they like. You know, they got different pets. And my pet is a dog. I prefer a dog. How about I just get me a wolf? Psych. A tiger, a lion. That was good. I'm nice and full now. That spaghetti hit the spot. I ain't lying. Got me over here daydreaming. All right, family, I'm all done. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to all of my videos. And just to know, boss mama love y'all so much.